Hello. In this video, we will show you how to use keyword monitoring, which is part of the ClouDNS monitoring service. With keyword monitoring, you can automatically check if a specific word or phrase appears on a web page and get alerted if it's missing or the site isn't responding properly. It's a great way to make sure your web content is loading as expected and to detect problems before your visitors do. To create a keyword monitoring check, log into your account. In Dashboard, go to the Monitoring section and click on Add New. First, you need to enter the name of the monitoring and the IP address or hostname of the server or device you want to be monitored. After that, you have to choose the monitoring check type. Then you'll see the option to choose the protocol, either HTTP or HTTPS, depending on how your website is configured. In most cases, HTTPS is the standard for secure websites. Now you need to select the desired monitoring region. About the monitoring period, you can choose from this right here. Furthermore, with ClouDNS monitoring plans M&L, you also have 1 and 5 minutes monitoring intervals. The following field is about the number of checks to confirm the status change, up or down. Here again, you need to type the preferable for your value. Now it's time to enter the URL you want to check. Make sure it includes the domain, port if necessary, and the path if you're targeting a specific page. Next is the HTTP status code. Normally, you'll want to leave this at 200, which means the page is loading successfully. But if you're monitoring a specific type of response, you can change that as needed. Then, set your timeout value. This is how many seconds the system will wait for a response before considering the check failed. Furthermore, you can add a custom header if needed. Below that, you'll choose the request type. By default, it's GET, which simply loads the web page. Other options like head, post, put, or delete are used in more advanced cases, for example when testing APIs or forms. Then, in the keyword field, enter the exact word or phrase you expect to find on the page, for example, OK, or something specific from your website content. The last step is to select the state of your check to be active or paused. When you have entered all the information needed, click on the Create button. So now we can check the results after it makes 3 checks. If the keyword is found on the page as expected, the status will show as up, which means everything's working normally. But if the keyword is missing, or the page doesn't load properly, or the response doesn't meet the conditions you set, like the HTTP status code or timeout, then the check will show as down. Now, why might that happen? Well, maybe the website is temporarily offline, or the content on the page has changed. It's also possible that the keyword was removed, either by accident or as part of an update. And in some cases, the page might be redirecting or returning an error code instead of the standard 200 OK response. If the same issue continues over the number of checks you defined, then the system will officially mark it as down, and you'll get notified right away so you can take action quickly. In addition, you can modify your monitoring check at any time. And if you want to receive the notification about the status in the additional email, different from your primary, you can do it from here. Thank you for choosing ClouDNS. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.